Welcome back. I'm going to be trying out one of my goals that I mentioned earlier on in one of my videos, that this year I want to try out curls on my hair. I want to see how my hair is going to look with curls. But unfortunately, I think a couple of months ago I declustered my wardrobe and the things around the house, and it seems that I have thrown away all my coiling rod. Those are the rods that I was using on my weave on before I locked my hair. So I've forgotten completely about that. I thought it was going to be available for me to try out my locks, but fortunately for me, that's not the only way that you can get curls on your locks. So I remember Bantu KNOTS. I'm going to be trying out Bantu KNOTS curls to see how my hair is going to turn out. Already the way my hair is now, I have just washed my hair, so it's wet. So what I'm going to be doing is just to apply oil to the scalp. I'm also going to be spraying my hair with this oil shade. It contains olive oil, argan oil, and coconut oil. The only thing that made me to buy it is just the combination of oil that it contains. I feel that the combination of the oil sounds so good. They are essential oils that you basically need for your locks. So the scent is not so strong, alright, and it's not as if it's like all over the place or that pleasant. It's just okay. This is the first time I'll be using it on my lock, but ever since I bought it, I've used it on my daughter's locks several times. One of the reasons why I even want to try it out on my own locks today. So I'm done doing it. This is just for the curls alone, okay? So that is why I am not particular about how I cut the knots, because it's just, you know, for the curls that is going to generate, okay? I'm going to give one or two things that I noticed about it. So if you want the knots to stay in place while you are twisting your locks round it to form the knot, make sure that you don't twist it too hard. So you might want to like wait till like a week or 2 weeks after your retie before you do it, because it's a bit hard. It feels tight on my hair. Had it been that I just retied my hair, it would have been much more painful doing this. I didn't know that, okay? So that it didn't occur to me. All right, and then you will notice that I started with the black tiny rubber band. What I observed is that I prefer this, okay, to the tiny rubber band. What I've noticed about the rubber band is that it is difficult to bring out, okay, and it cuts easily, and it cannot go more than 2 times. I think this is better than the rubber band. I don't know how long I'm going to wait. I don't know how long it's going to take the locks to get dried. Right now I finished around 5 minutes to 2 p.m. okay, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, GMT. I don't know what they call it. It's probably going to be like maybe till tomorrow. All right, so whatever the case may be, you guys will see. So I'm back. This is the following day actually, and it's 9 a.m. in the morning. So I literally slept with this Bantu knot on my head, and to be honest with you, it wasn't funny. It is not the best thing to sleep on, okay? It was not comfortable at all, but man, I need to do this, so I did it. All right, I'm also happy that part of the goals that I had written down for 2023, I'm able to achieve it, okay? So no matter how small your goal is, no matter how insignificant it may be to you, as long as you are able to put it as part of your goals, it is best. Like, try your best to achieve it. So guys, I'm somehow happy. Now is the time to take it down and see how beautiful the curls are going to be, because I'm expecting it to be beautiful, okay? I think they were brutally secured. No wonder none of them came out throughout the night. Okay, let's adjust the camera. All right. Okay. All right. Hey. What did I say? I'm looking gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful. Yes, this is how we're looking now. I'm so happy that I tried this out, because it came out so nice, so beautiful. Wow, this is what you can do with your locks, especially micro locks. Of course, you can do the traditional locks, the big size locks, you know, this way as well. Oh, any curls that behaves unruly, just pin it down with bobby pin, okay? Anyone. Wow, thank God for this. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in once again. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you love it, and bye.